friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and tonight, it's late, it's very late. Today I'm filming what's probably going to be the biggest unhaul ever on my channel. This isn't even all of it. There's still more in my car that I just can't even be bothered at this point to go deal with and wrestle and wrangle. So this is about 150 books compiled next to me, which is absolutely absurd that I'm getting rid of this many, but here we are. So I thought as a fun wrap up to this, I would go ahead and show you guys what I'm getting rid of. I'm definitely not going through every single one of these books like in detail or synopsises or anything, just because there's so many of them. But I did still want to show you guys what I'm getting rid of and issue a reach out to you all watching this, that if there is any one book that you want me to save from this giant unhaul, let me know down in the comments below, and the comment that gets the most thumbs up or the most recommended or requested book I will be saving. So fear not, I will listen to your pleads if you really want me to save a certain book from this stack. So quick couple disclaimers. You will hear the guinea pigs. I'm sitting right next to their cage here, so apologies if you hear a little bit of squeaky weaking in the background. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna run through these pretty quick, so without further ado, let's get through my 150 plus unhaul. Pocahontas by Paula Gunn Allen. Careless People, Murder, Mayhem, and the Invention of the Great Gatsby by Sarah Churchwell. 1 Year to an Organized Work Life. Enjoy Every Sandwich by Lee Lippenstahl. Girlland by Caitlin Flanagan. 101 Places Not to See Before You Die by Catherine Pierce. Mary Poppins She Wrote, The Life of P.L. Travers by Valerie Lawson. Night Spinner by Addie Thorley. Fablehaven, Kings to the Demon Prison by Brandon Mole. Everless by Sarah Holland. Fablehaven, Rise of the Evening Star by Brandon Mole. Wonderful, The Bohemian's Modern Guide to Traveling in Style by Addie Eaton. Loosed Upon the World, The Saga Anthology of Climate Fiction by multiple authors. Great Ghost Stories by a collection of authors. Horton Hatches the Egg by Dr. Seuss. Gone with the Wind by Margaret Mitchell. Ever by Gail Carson Levine. Shadow Scale by Rachel Hartman. The Love Dare. How It Feels to Float by Helena Fox. The Click by Lisa Harrison. Fox Tossing and Other Forgotten and Dangerous Sports Pastimes and Games by Edward Brooke Hitching. TTYL by Lauren Miracle. Among the Beasts and Briars by Ashley Poston. Girl with a Pearl Earring. Revenge of the Wannabes by Lisa Harrison. Fairest of Them All. Evil Thing. Survivors the Empty City by Erin Hunter. Survivors A Hidden Enemy by Erin Hunter. And Survivors Darkness Falls by Erin Hunter. The Seekers, The Quest Begins by Erin Hunter. Molly Moon's Incredible Book of Hypnotism by Georgia Burns. The Fairies of Nutfolkwood by Barb Bettler Ullman. The Dreadful Tale of Prosper Redding by Alexandra Bracken. Teen Idol by Meg Cabot. Cinders and Sparrows by Stefan Bachmann. The Treasure Map of Boys. The Boy Book. And The Boyfriend List by E. Lockhart. My Lovely Wife in a Psych Ward by Mark Luchik. From Scratch by Tembley Locke. The Whiz Pop Chocolate Shop by Kate Sanders. 5 Dark Fates by Kendara Blake. 1 Year to an Organized Life. Better Off by Erin Brend. Scarlet Women, The Scandalous Lives of Courtesans, Concubines, and Royal Mistresses by Ian Graham. Me by Elton John. One Dark Throne by Kendara Blake. The Wife Between Us by Greer Hendricks and Sarah Pekkanen. The Thunder of Giants by Joel Fishbane. House of Many Ways by Deanna Waynes-Jones. The Wild Robot and The Wild Robot Escapes by Peter Brown. Rebel Genius by Michael Dante DeMario. Turned On by Kate Devlin. Ape House by Sarah Gruen. The Loneliest Girl in the Universe by Lauren James. Joe and Laurie by Margaret Stoll. Deep Blue by Jennifer Donnelly. Crash Into Me by Albert Boris. Fallen Kingdoms by Morgan Rhodes. And Anxious for Nothing by Max Lucado. I'm in the middle of filming this video, but I wanted to add a couple more side notes. I am apologizing if I mispronounce any of these authors' names. I'm going through these piles so quickly that I'm not really able to stop and address every author correctly, so I do apologize if I am mispronouncing these. Wilder Ones by Rory Powers. Lovely War by Julie Berry. With the Fire on High by Elizabeth Acevedo. Nicholas, St. North and the Battle of the Nightmare King. And A Wrinkle in Time graphic novel by Madeline Lange. The Proposal by Jasmine Gilroy. Cloaked by Alex Flynn. Crimson Bound by Rosamund Hodge. Thoroughbred Ashley's Christmas Miracle by Joanna Campbell. The Light We Lost by Jill Santorini. The Paris Wife by Paula McLean. And A Kiss in Time by Alex Flynn. Happily and Madly by Alexis Bass. Kisses and Curses by multiple authors. Cole and Sav, Our Surprising Love Story by Savannah and Cole LeBrant. This one I know is probably going to get a lot of votes or feedback about me getting rid of it, but The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. Scandals of Classic Hollywood by Anne Helen Peterson. Life and Death Twilight Reimagined by Stephanie Meyer. Marie Antoinette. Toothina, the Queen of the Tooth Fairy Armies by William Joyce. Easter Bunman and the Warrior Eggs at Earth's Core. Mistress of All Evil. Poor Unfortunate Souls. And The Beast Within by Selena Valentine. Fear of Missing Out by Kate McGovern. His Hideous Heart by multiple authors. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea by Jules Verne. 10 Arguments for Deleting Your Social Media Right Now by Jaren Lanner. Dear Fahrenheit 451 by Annie Spence. Winter Song by S.J. Jones. The Last Princess by Galaxy Craze. Skinny. Zeros by Scott Westerfeld, and Where the Crawdads Sing by Dahlia Owens. And the last two giant sets of this unhaul are the last, I think, 10 or 15 books in the Alice series by Phyllis Reynolds Naylor. There we go. I want to get different editions of these, hence why I'm getting rid of this giant collection, along with the, oh my gosh, the complete editions, full series of The Wizard of Oz by Frank Baum. This I have different editions of that I prefer better, but these are beautifully gorgeous editions, and I'll be honest, this is probably one of the hardest things I'm getting rid of because they're beautiful, but I can't keep something just because it's pretty. I don't have the space. Alright friends, there you have it. Those are all of the books that I'm unhauling from the last few, really, weeks. There's a whole other video that's going to be going up soon about my project Unhaul. It's still ongoing, I'll put it that way. So that video will be coming very, very soon, but I did want to give you guys a little sneak peek of all of the books that I'm getting rid of for this Unhaul project. I'm super excited about it. I just feel in this chapter of my life of getting rid of things and purging, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me get rid of all these books. They will be going to be donated or to some friends and family that would be interested in them, so I will not be selling any of these. I am going to be donating them so other fun book-loving people can get their hands on them, which I'm very excited about. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, please let me know down in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me or what book you would like me to save from this unhaul. I would love to know. And as always, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!